Carl is an engineer entrusted with the job to start a critical electrical equipment inspection project for his power generation plant. Given the new responsibility at hand, Carl is perplexed looking at his options to safeguard his personnel and company assets from the hazards arising from open panel inspection. Nicholas, his safety advisor, is quick to intervene with his expertise on maintenance inspection windows. Carl is concerned that expensive IR windows won't withstand the harsh environment of his plant. He has seen these devices crack and become fouled by airborne moisture and contaminants. Nicholas then introduces Carl to the idea of reinforced polymer infrared windows that are not prone to the shortcomings of traditional crystal IR windows. They're designed to maintain enclosure integrity, do not get affected by vibrations or airborne contaminants, and will, at all times, keep the personnel safe, allowing them to collect IR images with peace of mind. Maintenance inspection windows guarantee that transmission rates are 100% consistent and accurate, allowing the staff to be confident about the inspection temperature recordings. Intrigued by the usefulness and the effective application of the maintenance inspection windows, Carl is now sure that this is exactly what will be used on his project. Nicholas further explains that IRISS develops innovations in electrical maintenance safety devices. Carl is excited to find that IRISS makes the widest range of maintenance inspection windows that are completely customizable. These windows are not affected by humidity and are highly durable to withstand industrial-grade impact. The PolyView optic works with all types of IR, UV, or digital cameras and allows visual inspections too. These windows are certified by UL, CSA, Lloyd's London, DNV, ABS, and have been successfully tested by several OEMs for arc-resistant equipment applications. And on top of it all, the maintenance inspection windows by IRISS come with an unconditional lifetime warranty at a highly affordable rate compared to other solutions in the market. IRISS, global leaders in electrical maintenance safety devices and solutions.